That's really good of you, huh? I'm gonna be everybody's savior, huh? But you ain't doing fucking about me.
Every time you hit the table, like, something dies. So, killing stuff.
I'm just trying to figure out how to stop getting locked out of my BlackBerry. I set up a code, and now I need it for everything. Sorry.
The bus stop? Yeah. We go down to Forest Avenue and go all the way up.
Yeah, that's can I have the thing? Don't care about me, mate. It's care about your damn job. You're a black flag. You care about me, Bob? Do you? You care about me at all? You care about me at all? I'm a dog, right?
You care about every human being.
Yeah, right. Yeah, it's much. Oh, it's amazing. It's always just. There's still about to let me walk out. And have to fight me time. Right?
They're good. And next time you get your sliders, try them in mustard. Have them fried in mustard.
I'm done with your life. These are shit ways. All you do is lie. Lie.
I know, but the government lies too, so I can't be.
And it's one fault. I'm one fault. Right? Good luck. Wake up. There's something around there. Oh no, the one place. Well, that's not fast to get in. I can't get something to think about it. What up?
Hey!
Come on. That's all you like, right? Oh, it's not that table and you know what? 20%. All you want to talk. No, it's just fucking.
God saw that. God's watching you!
It's alright. I eat here like 3 days a week, so I'm on your side.
Crazier the better.
Here, I should go follow.